Hi everyone, it's Farah from Zoom here. Wanted to briefly review how you can schedule your Zoom meetings directly from Gmail using your Google Chrome or Firefox web browser. If you haven't already had the opportunity to sign up for your free account, please make sure you do that and download the Zoom software. We reviewed that in my first video. From here, I will walk you through, again, just in case you didn't already have the opportunity to download, you will want to head over to zoom.us/download to get the Chrome extension or Firefox add-in. This will allow you to download their software and install it on your machine. Once you have that, you'll see a little widget next to your browser bar. Please make sure you click on that and then sign into your Gmail account directly. Once you sign in, this expanded view will not only allow you to schedule a meeting for the future or start an instant meeting, but there's also a gear icon that allows you to customize some of the settings for a better user experience. You'll see options like turning the host video on or off by default and recommending that your participants join with their camera on or off as well. And you'll see additional options down here, such as enabling join before host, which lets the people you've invited into your meeting a few minutes before you join, and even allows you to mute participants upon entry, which I think is really helpful if you have a large group. At the very bottom, you'll see the allow me to specify options each time. If you check this box, you actually will get a pop-up every time you go to schedule a meeting for more customization. If you uncheck this box, this will be a kind of set it and forget it settings experience. Clicking on save the changes will put that into action. Now, when you're ready to schedule the meeting, you can do this again immediately from the blue button. Clicking this will give you a pop-up window where you can customize the date, time, and duration. You'll see the location field is a link to the meeting because this is actually happening on the web. And you'll see the rest of the join information below. Of course, you can click this link or dial in. Let me back this up one step. The add guests, treat this like any other invitation you send out. Add your friends' emails, add your coworkers' emails here to get them to join the meeting as well. Now I want to show you if you do it directly from Google Calendar, you can select your date and time and double click on that space to make it a Zoom meeting. When you click make it a Zoom meeting from your calendar, you're going to get the exact same pop-up window where you can add a title to the meeting, make it a Zoom meeting with the blue button, and then you'll see the pop-up to customize the event as well. From here, same invitation that we just saw, adding your guest email, and then clicking save to send this out to your guests. I hope this video was helpful. Please reach out to us at support.zoom.us if you have any other questions about how to get going with scheduling from Google Calendar. Thanks so much for your time. Hope you enjoy using Zoom.